Does AC Pro actually work? I don't know if you can actually hear me or the truck, but let's give it a shot. AC Pro Max Seal. We're 99.3 degrees. AC is on cold, top vent, high, max. Recirculate is on. So we should be in like the 50s here. 99.0, 98.9. Let's give it a shot. The compressor's not kicking out. Got it hooked up there. Obviously that clutch doesn't sound so good, but it did kick on. It is coming down 87. See how low it gets.
Hey, welcome back to Brick Auto. So the question is, does AC Pro work? The answer, maybe. We have a 2008 Nissan Rogue, I believe it is. Owner was quoted, hey, $800, you need a new compressor. So the compressor's not engaging. I said, whoa. So I called me. They said, well, if the compressor's not engaging, I don't know how they tested it. They give me a quote, whatever. No, nothing in writing. They just said, need a compressor, $800. I said, well, if the system doesn't recognize that there's enough pressure, it's not going to kick on the compressor. So it could just be low. Mine just need a recharge. So I don't get too involved. I don't have a evac and recharge machine. But in this circumstance, I said, let me take a look, try to command it. We'll test the compressor, see if we can turn it on, see if it's low, whatever. If it just needs a recharge, we'll do that. But you might not need a compressor. Does AC Pro work? Maybe. That's the answer. As you can see, the footage, if you have a Silverado with a compressor clutch that's about to blow off, no, AC Pro will not work on your system. But if it's just low, recharge, will it work? I believe so. So let's check it out. Okay, all I've done is turn on the vehicle and turn on the AC. Nothing else is hooked up. This is not the AC Pro is not hooked up to anything. Compressor lids right down there. So it's only 3 bolts holding that on. I'm not sure why it's $800 to replace that, but again, she didn't get a written quote or anything, so who knows what they're including. But so it's turned on inside the vehicle, and it's commanded on, and it's not engaged. The pulley is spinning freely. It is not engaged, not spinning at all. So see if we can manually energize that before we try to juice it up. See if we can really pinpoint the problem. Okay, so we got 2 wires coming off the compressor. You can see they run up this little harness here. So I've opened it right here just for access. And this one, the yellow one, corresponds to the pink one. And the AC is on, commanded on in the vehicle. It's running. We have system voltage 14.06 volts.
So let's command it off. Let's command that back on. Blower motor's on high, AC is commanded on, it's on recirc, it's not on max AC. 96, 97 degrees Fahrenheit on that. The blower motor is probably ruining the audio, but you can at least see the temperature before we do any charge here, the charge attempt on the system. Alright, so we're going to attach the can of AC Pro. We've got our gauge put onto the can. Let's connect this to the low pressure port, which in this vehicle is right here. This is high pressure, this is low pressure. The one that comes with it can only go on one. There it is. I'm going to point this little blue arrow to the approximate temperature, which is about 80, just over 80. At this point, match up those red lines for the current ambient temperature. We're going to start this back up, command AC back on, turn it on max. Curious, 175,605 miles. Pretty good for the 08 Rogue. High, recirc, commanded on, max AC. Still right around 96, 97, blowing through blower motor, through the vents, 97 degrees. That's not much of AC, if you ask me. Got this on. Now we're going to squeeze the trigger and turn the can, and we're going to watch and see if this thing kicks on. Okay, so for 08 Nissan Rogue, AC Pro did not work. So you get a vacuum pump, get a gauge set, get a receiver dryer, and boom, replace the compressor. Replace that compressor and bammo. What do you say, Erico? 1, 2, barbecue?
on max. It's on cold. Commanded on. Is on recirc about 3/4. Fan control and bam! It's dropping like crazy. Engage! Compressor engage! So that's right about where we were yesterday. Fluctuating 40s, which is fantastic. So it held vacuum for the whole day, no leaks, and it's been 24 hours since replacement and charging, and still obviously holding the charge and working. So will AC Pro work in this case? No. Will not work if you need a new compressor. But the Rogue is back on the road, going back to the owner. Alright, does AC Pro work on a warm but not really that cold either car? We got full blast recirc AC. We are at temperature, it's at 76 degrees.